On your dashboard, you can see your wallet summary. Here are your HU wallet amount and H1 wallet amount. If you want to transfer this amount, you can click on the transfer button, and insert the receiver name to whom you want to transfer the amount from your HU wallet. Once you enter the receiver username, there will be a pop-up at the right bottom showing if the username is valid. If you can see, receiver full name will automatically be fetched from the database once you enter the username. And it shows the H1 fees. Now, you need to insert the HU amount that you want to transfer. Also, there is a remark field where you can add remarks for the receiver. Insert the transaction password that you set for your account and then click Next to transfer the payment. It will take a few seconds and then redirect you to the OTP request page. The OTP will be generated on the associated email address of your account. In this case, you need to go to your email account, check the OTP and insert it into the field to process further, and click on Submit button. Right after clicking on Submit, the transfer history will be updated. Now, click on Dashboard, and you will see the HU wallet amount will be updated.